Forgot your PIN, pattern, or password on your Samsung Galaxy A9 or A9 Plus? Don't stress, I will guide you through what to do now. First, you have to connect your tablet to a PC or Mac using a USB or C2C cable. Next, you have to press and hold the power button and the volume down button at least 7 seconds. Now you have to press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. When you see the Samsung logo, let go of the power button but keep holding the volume up button until the tablet goes into recovery mode. Now let me clear, you have to reset it and this will erase everything on your tablet. There's no other way to get back in if you forget your password. So if you agree, use the volume down buttons, scroll down until you see web data or factory reset. Press the power button to select it. On the next screen, scroll down to factory data reset and hit the power button again to confirm. After it's done, go to reboot system now and press the power button one more time. Now wait, you will see the Samsung logo again and soon the welcome screen with the start menu will pop up. During the setup process, you will be asked to enter your screen lock PIN or password. You will see another option, choose use my Google account instead. Now enter your previous email and password. After verifying your account, you will be prompted to set up a new PIN, pattern or password for your device. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helpful. Thanks for watching.